Hello student, today's topic is trigonometry. Now I am telling you about introduction of trigonometry. Trigonometry is trigonometry is the relation between angles and side of the triangle. This is the relation of a right angle triangle. We know what is a right angle triangle. When a angle of a triangle is 90 degree, then it is called right angle triangle. There are two acute angle also. Let us take one acute angle. The opposite side of the acute angle is called perpendicular, and the adjacent side of a angle is called base, and the longer side is called hypotenuse. So we can say it is the relation between angles and side of the triangle. Now let us talk about trigonometrical function. Trigonometrical functions are just some functions just like sine theta, cos theta, tan theta and all. We can learn this all with the help of one short trick. The short trick is Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bole Sona Chandi Tole Kasi Se Kahe. Now we will elaborate this concept. Just let us take Sona, say sine theta. Okay, now sine theta is equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Okay, now Sona Chandi, Chandi for cos theta. Cos theta is base upon hypotenuse, so we take base upon hypotenuse. Tole, Tole for tan theta. Tan theta is perpendicular upon base. So tan theta is perpendicular upon base. Okay. Now talk about Kashi. Kashi cosec theta. Kashi for hypotenuse upon perpendicular. So hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Say for hypotenuse upon base. So sec theta is hypotenuse upon base. Now kahe for cot theta. So cot theta is base upon perpendicular. Cot theta is equals to base upon perpendicular. Okay. Now as we know, they have some relation in it. You will see, like I will telling you about this. Wait. Now as we know, the value of sine theta and cosec theta are the opposite of itself. So we can say sine theta is the reciprocal of cosec theta and cosec theta is the reciprocal of sine theta. Like cosec theta is the reciprocal of sec theta and sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. Now tan theta is the reciprocal of cot theta and cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. Now we will understood with the help of one problem. Let us take in a right angle triangle of ABC, right angle at B. Its side AB is 3 cm and BC is 4 cm. Then find its third side and all trigonometrical function. Let's begin this. Now we will take a triangle. Here it is right angle at B, so marked it B. Okay, now take A from the one vertex and C to the other one. Now we all know that when we apply a PGT, that means Pythagoras theorem, by PGT, that means Pythagoras theorem. we know that hypotenuse, square of hypotenuse is equals to the sum of square of perpendicular and base. Now take the square of 3 and 4. Now we get 9 plus 16, they make 25. So hypotenuse is equals to square root of 25, and we know the value of square root of 25 is 5. Now we will take sine theta. So with the help of our short trick, we have sine theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So take sine theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Now mark it like 5 centimeter. So here the perpendicular one is the opposite side of a angle. Opposite side of a angle is perpendicular. Okay, and the adjacent side is base, and the longer side is hypotenuse. So sine theta is equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, that means 3 upon 5. And cos theta is the base upon hypotenuse, which is 4 upon 5. And tan theta is perpendicular upon base, this is 3 upon 4. And cosec theta is hypotenuse upon perpendicular, so it make 5 upon 3. And sec theta is hypotenuse upon base, so it make 5 upon 4. And cot theta is base upon hypotenuse, it make 4 upon 3. Okay class, we will talk some relations and formulas of trigonometry in next class. Okay, thank you students.